Good stand. Good stand. Now these are all just the obedience. She'll learn obedience. Hold on. Okay. Look at me. Look at me. Yes. Good girl. Yes. Good job. Yes.
Hello. These are our dogs that are adoptable.
Yes, very good.
Animal shelter.
Excellent. Good girl. Yeah.
They were abandoned.
Watch out. Yes, good dog. Yes. Excellent. Yes.
Because I want to do segments of it.
I'm so thrilled. That's so cool.
Yes. Yes. Good dog.
Yeah. He likes to play. These dogs are adoptable. They're up for adoption at the shelter.
Yeah. Good dog. You're a pretty girl. You're a very pretty girl. Yes.
Yes, in the back portion.
Good job.
In the back, I was trying it out. She was up and out. And she came up to Cam. And in the past time that she was about her to stand and sit. Because she didn't know any of it. I kid you not. It's so amazing. I love it. Yep. She's been working with her for a few months. She's very smart. She's a very lovely dog. Are you okay? He's jealous because he likes to sit on my lap. They like to sit on laps. She's flying. It's right there.
What does that mean?
She's thinking.
I know, my whole brain is going. Good girl. Good girl.
Got the sit thing down.
Yes, she does. Good girl. She's so smart. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. See, you're so good at this. Austin says we should try to make you lay. Nope. Sit. Nope, I don't think we're going to. So good. Yeah, I know. I have a treat in that hand, too. Good girl. Nice.